That's right. If you ever wondered, today is the day that I will let you know what my favorite feature of 2022 is and 3 reasons why this is the case. Our new Session Recordings module. Session recordings are a must-have for virtual and hybrid events. People watching from home can not only manage their time more effectively, but also rewatch a session that they found interesting. It is the #1 question on the help desk chat in every event, and for a good reason. I know what you're wondering. Doesn't every platform have the ability to view session recordings? Well, indeed they do, and we've had this possibility since the very beginning. But that leads me to the first reason why I love this feature. We went the extra mile. Knowing how important this feature is, we went back to the drawing board and asked the questions of what an attendee really wants from this functionality. What were the best sessions? What sessions can I watch in the 30 minutes that I have available? How can I see only the sessions that match my interests? And that's exactly what we built. An interface that lets you browse, search, and filter recordings however it makes sense to you, with relevant information every step of the way. And once you find what you're looking for, you can play it and add it to your queue, giving you a playlist of the videos that you want to watch. Number 2, it works on its own. We have been getting more and more requests to use our live streaming platform only for this functionality without the live streaming. And because our structure is so modular, you can build a platform that works almost like a Netflix for your event. Number 3, it has so much potential. If you're listening to this and you're thinking, this would really work great for courses or e-learning, or it could really work as a knowledge base for my company. Well, if you're thinking that, then we're on the same page. Let's talk. I wonder what my favorite functionality will be for 2023. And if you want to know firsthand, then stay tuned, follow our page for more videos like this, and show us your love by leaving us a like or a comment below. That's it from me. I'll see you next time.